biodiversity of University of Hyderabad is under threat. The Revan Reddy-led Congress government is preparing to sell 400 acres of land of this university that belongs to this university, to the people of this university, and those 400 acres of land is the home to diverse flora and fauna. There are animals, there are endangered species, different species of snakes, there are reptiles, there are deers, there are tortoise, we have porcupines, and so many wild boars. So those 400 acres of land is under threat because the Congress-led government is preparing to sell those 400 acres land, and it is a threat to the environment, not only to the University of Hyderabad, but the environment of Hyderabad in general. As you can see, it's March and the summer has arrived in Hyderabad, and it's not usual. And when you will just drive off 400 acres of land, then how will the people of this land will suffer? This university, this is probably the only place where winter comes in Hyderabad. When it turns evening, during evening, it's the only place that feels a little bit of cooler in comparison to other places of Hyderabad, and they are now trying to sell this land and to make it an environmental hazard. So this will also affect, mostly it will affect the students of Hyderabad, because this land belongs to the Hyderabad. It was given to us for our research purpose, for us to settle here. But now this government is selling this land, and it's not only about this 400 acres land. This government has been selling other lands also, be it the Musi project-based Hydra project. So many other things are happening in this regime where they're selling lands and they're just they're just getting into this corporate greed. So we are here at this protest site led by the Students' Union and supported by mass students in this campus, and we are leading this movement against this government, against this environmental hazard that is happening. So I request the locals of Hyderabad and all the people who are concerned about environment to be with us, to stand by us, and please raise your voice. Save this 400 acres of land, save environment. Thank you.